Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you what I do with purple potato. Purple potatoes are very amazing because they have lots of health benefits. The first time I got them I was really shocked that they were purple. I'm going to just give it a cut here so you see. This one looks purple and white inside, but it's actually purple all through. So purple potatoes can be used to make fries, they can be used to make pudding, they can be used as porridge, they can be boiled, they can be fried. Just keep watching and see how I make this today. So I'm going to start first by peeling it. I use a potato peeler. For me it's faster. I'm done peeling them. I'm going to cut them up. They have different sizes, you know, some are long, some are fat. They're not like Irish potatoes that are a certain kind of shape. So if you want to do fries, then you'd have to cut them because you can't cut it long ways, except you want to do like rounded shape, which I don't want to do. So I'm going to just cut it in half. And sometimes it's very hard for it to just go through, so you have to wiggle.
Purple potatoes are loaded with vitamin C, carotenoid compounds, selenium, tyrosine. Even their color can tell you that it's high in some compounds like anthocyanins that help as an antioxidant. It's very good for cholesterol levels and it helps even in some cancers.
And then so this is what I have. What I'm going to do is to slice these ones long ways, maybe in 4s or in 5s. So I'm going to go off camera and finish cutting this up, and I'll come back and show you what next to do. I already cut these ones off camera, but I'm going to show you what I do. So you have one like this, you cut through it long ways like so. You'd have to wiggle because it's hard to get them to cut, or you can go straight like this and just cut down. Now we have our potatoes cut, then we're not going to cut. I prefer to go like this, just put it in and then tap down. It makes it easier. I'm done cutting it up. Look at how it looks. Look at that. Very nice fries kind of sizes. And I'm going to go to the next phase and show you how I salt it. And I don't just salt it like this, you know, I don't make it like this. I'll show you what I do to get it in, because if you put it like this I find it's too dry. So there's something I do. You just keep watching. Okay, so now I'm back. What I'm going to do is, before I salt it, I'll just sprinkle a little bit of water into it. So that's what I'm going to do. It doesn't matter the amount, just a little to go around. Sometimes some people feel maybe we should wash it. You can rinse it if you want, or soak it. You know, I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of water and then add some salt, and then I'm going to shake it. So next I'm going to rinse it out. Make sure you rinse it out nicely. I don't rinse it out for too long just because I don't want the color to go out. What I do next is to just make sure like I have a little bit of water in there. If I don't have enough, you can just put some more, and then I'll get the salt and then add the salt into it. So just sprinkle a bit of salt. And then shake it. So we're done with that one. Next I'm going to pour my oil in the frying pan. Just get enough oil to immerse. So it doesn't matter what type of oil you have. Mine is really dark because I'm using olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to bring this over here and wait. Just going to wait for it to heat up a little bit, and then we'll start frying. So now this is 3 minutes after. I'm just gonna turn it over. So just make sure you turn it over so that the other side too fries. So as you can see, it has changed color a fair bit, but it's still really good. This one is more drier. When it starts to brown like this, it's really dry. So it depends on your preference. I really don't want mine to brown too much. So I'm just gonna pour this into the colander. At this point, you may want to lower your heat a little bit. I'm just going to lower the heat a bit, and then you're going to scoop some potato. Scoop them. So the next batch is ready. I'm just going to start. I'm going to pour the remaining in here.
So at this point, you want to repeat the same process, and you take it out, and then you can serve the way you want. For mine, I paired it up with stew and a bit of turkey. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and see you next time. Bye.